My payer clients, the debate that we really have and the challenge is what really is innovation and how do we think about it within healthcare? And Matt referenced a little bit of this, but is it around standardizing and connecting, or is it really around the next app or wearable device? And I think it's a debate that we're still all having. But I take a pretty simplistic example from my time working with Medicare Advantage plans. And for those who don't know, Medicare is for the government-provided insurance for elderly and disabled individuals, and Medicare Advantage is administered by private insurance companies on behalf of the government. There is many complicated incentives around Medicare Advantage, but one of the core tenets of the plan is actually certifying clinical gaps. And so as the program and this requirement was rolled out, plans were really trying to think about how can I get this information into the hands of the clinicians so that they could recertify. And really the innovation that happened was just providing people with lists. It started off as paper, and as you said, eventually moved into the EMR and into the clinical workflow. And what you saw was not only a dramatic improvement in gap closure, right? So I've certified that the gap exists, but also that translated into better clinical care, right? And the physicians having a greater understanding of the patient needs, and the patient also having a greater understanding of their needs. So, I struggle, or the thing that I think is interesting as we talk about digital health is really, what does it mean to be innovative? What is it? Is it alignment of incentives? Is it the next, shiny piece of technology? Or is it really kind of thinking about what is already in the market and how do we make sure that that is implemented and scaled in a way that actually drives outcomes?
Mindy, your story about